Hello, Amber Johnson here with REMAX Capital Properties. Are you ready for a bigger home, or maybe you want to downsize? Do you currently have a house that you need to sell before you can make that happen, and you just don't know where to begin? Well, this is a common situation homeowners find themselves in, and I've recently had a lot of questions on how this process works, so I thought I'd give you a quick 7-step process on how to sell and buy all at the same time. Step 1, contact me for a free market analysis on your current home. We need to determine what your estimated net proceeds will be on the sale of your home, because your lender will use this information in determining your pre-qualification status, and you will also need to know how much money you will have to use towards a down payment on the new property. Step 2, contact your lender and get pre-approved. This is important so we know what price range you should be looking at for a new home. Step 3, start getting your home ready to list. I have a step-by-step guide on how to prepare your home to sell to make sure your house outshines the competition. Step 4, list your house for sale. Even if you don't already have a new house picked out to buy. The reason it's important to list your home now, even if you don't have a house picked out to buy, is because you will be competing with other buyers that don't have a house to sell. We want to be prepared to make an offer that will win you the house. But don't worry, I will structure your listing in a way to give you time to find a home to buy so you won't end up homeless. Step 5, let's go shopping for your dream home. I will set you up on my website and start sending you properties that match the criteria you are looking for, and we will begin looking at houses. Step 6, it's time to make an offer on your new dream home. Your offer will be structured according to the current status of the home you are selling. So there's a couple of different scenarios. The first scenario would be the home you are selling is on the market but does not have an accepted offer on it yet. In this situation, you will be making an offer on your dream home with a 72-hour contingency clause in it. This clause means that you have a home to sell before you can continue with the purchase of your new home, and that you have not secured a buyer on your property yet. So during the 72-hour contingency clause, the seller of your dream home can continue to market the property for sale and can possibly accept an offer from a different buyer. If that seller does accept an offer from a different buyer, you would then be given 72 hours to get an accepted offer on the home you are selling. If you do not get an offer on your home in that 72 hours, the house would then go to the second buyer. So this is why it is really important we list your house before you find your dream home, so you can have the highest chances of getting it under contract and not have to deal with another buyer placing an offer on your dream home. The second scenario, which is the best scenario, is that the home you are selling is on the market and you have secured an accepted contract from a buyer on it. In this situation, you will make an offer on your dream home and you do not have to use a 72-hour contingency clause. We will still make the offer contingent on your home selling, but however, because your house is already under contract, you are not at risk of the seller being able to accept an offer from a different buyer. We will proceed through the transaction, and step 7, we will come to closing day. We will coordinate your sale of your current home and the purchase of your new home on the same day. The title company will help make this a seamless process, and any money needed from the proceeds on the sale of your house will go directly to the purchase of your new home. I understand this can seem overwhelming and maybe even a little scary, but I have successfully helped many homeowners through the process and would love to answer your questions. You can reach me by texting or calling at 307-640-4355.